Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make this bloom today. I hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you're having a great day. Put a little tiny bit of resin in these stones. Put the rest in here. I'm using Let's Resin today. Oh, I'm gonna dump that over. Okay. I actually lost track of time. I had it in my vacuum chamber for so long. When I took it out just now, it was ready to go. Get your bubbles brought to the top if you have any that formed. Okay, I think I'm good. Torch them off. Let's get some colors in here. I'm gonna do Sapphire Blue from Let's Resin. And I'm gonna do the purple from Let's Resin. Need to get my stones in. I need to get my white mixed up. So let's do this real quick. You know, usually I have time. Usually I have it sitting on my counter coming to temperature and I have plenty of time, but I did not today, so. I think that's pretty much in the middle. Okay, 2 drops of my Editor Art. Two. Mix that up real good. Okay guys, I don't know how much I'm going to stir this today. I kind of want everything to stay where it's at, but I might. Oh, I made bubbles. I'm making a lot of them. Oh my gosh, so many. Okay. I'm gonna do one blue right here. One purple right here. Blow that all off. Hopefully I can pop all them bubbles I just made. Take this out, twist it and tie it. Okay, gotta find my scissors. I have no idea where they are. I'm gonna have to use these giant ones. I don't even know why I have these. Oh my gosh, I can't even see to cut it. Hopefully that's good. Okay, I've made circles. I've made figure eights. I'm probably gonna do stars sometime. But right now I'm gonna do just 4 triangles, I guess, kind of connected to each other. If I can do that. So let's yeah, it's a little off. can I say? And see, as you can tell, I didn't make my hole in the bag very big, so it's coming out pretty squiggly because I'm having to squeeze it. But that's fine. I'm fine with that. Okay, my lines aren't the straightest either. They almost look like kites. I'm gonna add in some more lines. Why not? Oh, I should have went straight across. Duh. Whoopsie. Okay, sweet. Let's see what that does. One of these was pretty thick, but I don't remember which one. You know, because it's already blooming pretty good. I could add another little something, but maybe let's turn them into kites. Why not? Let's make a tiny little string off of it. I mean, it's gonna disappear anyway, so. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I just wonder about myself. I was thinking of pulling that out with a toothpick. I don't know if I should or just leave it be. I think I might just leave it be and see what happens. So let's torch this real quick. Nice. Okay, guys. But I kind of would. Do I do it? Maybe so. From the middle through the empty space, I'm just gonna pull out here this way. Same with here. Middle through the empty space. And there's something right there floating. And a bubble. Did I get it? We'll go ahead and do all the blue real quick. Okay, another purple. Okay, done. Okay, guys, let's see what happens to that. Eee! Might look horrible. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up so nothing floats in it, and I will see you in a little while. Bye. Okay, guys. I mixed up some black, some of the dark violet, and some of the blue interference powder. And I got this. So we're gonna put that on the back. I really thought I had my camera on. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. Nice. Oh, that's a pretty purple. Awesome. It's a different kind of purple, but I still think it's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna torch this, cover it up, and we will check it out in the morning. And I don't know if this will work because I've never done a design like this. So you're gonna see it when I see it. I didn't put it in the vacuum chamber either, so. All right, guys, I will see you later. Okay, guys, let's check this out. I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I wondered all night. Are you ready? Oh my God. I love that. I thought it was gonna be a disaster. I think that looks so amazing. I'm so excited. I thought it was gonna be a fail. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna put some silver along the outside because I use the silver stones in there. And usually I forget to add this little extra bit. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think it looks amazing. I hope you guys like it. And I appreciate you watching. And I'll get a picture of this posted. Sweet. Hopefully I stay on the edge here. Whoopsie. Okay. Awesome, guys. What do you think of that edge? Sweet. I love it so much. I will have a link in my description for the 64 pack of alcohol inks that Let's Resin is selling. If you want to check those out, and I'll also have a link to their website on Amazon. So nice. Thank you, Let's Resin, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. See ya.